Hi my honeys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Joy and welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, honey, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this curly unit. I love this hair. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, so first of all, I have my big mirror right here. So if I keep looking that way, please just bear in mind it's my mirror. And then I have my hair. I have my hair here, coconut curling cream. I have my white tooth comb. I have my scissors, and then I have my spray bottle with water, and I have this Tresemme Salon Silk conditioner. It's almost finished. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of this conditioner in the spray bottle. Oh, shake it up, shake it up, hey, shake it up. What I usually do is I take my wig and I just spray my wig. Make sure you spray all parts of the wig, especially up here, so that it doesn't look dry. Just gonna spray it. I'm going to just comb it out from the top, combing it down, but don't put the combs too much into the hair. I feel like it's still dry. And I'm just gonna spray some on my hand, just a little. And then I just rub it like so, and I just apply some on the ends of the hair. I'm just going to brush it out just like that with my nails. What I usually do is I just cut these unwanted curls just like so, just so it's neat. You see, I cut off all the unwanted curls. So while we wait for my hair to dry up, I'm going to be dealing with my natural hair now. You need to keep it moisturized all the time. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just going to moisturize my hair. I'm going to use this Cantu coconut curling cream. I use it both for my wig and my hair. So I just take a little, just like 2 scoops of that, and then rub it on my hair as so. This is what I have to do. just to make sure that my hair isn't dry beneath my wig. So guys, the sun is so hot. How do you do this? So it's just like it's so hot. And I hope I don't look too crazy on camera. And then I'm going to use the anti-breakage styling gel, strengthening styling gel. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that, just a little, and then I'm just going to do, for the most part, like the front, just so my hairline is laid. Okay. And what I like about this styling gel, it's not too sticky, it's not too harsh for my hair, so I really like it. Yo guys, I worked out this morning for the first time in a long time, and I feel so good. I feel like I'm just having such a productive day, you know, even though I haven't had breakfast. But I feel like my day is so productive, and yeah, I'm just having a good day so far. I'm going to put on my wig cap. Please don't judge my wig cap, ne? On this channel, we don't judge each other, so don't judge my wig cap. Okay, my honeys, so once my hair has air dried, I'm going to show you how I install it. It's very easy. So yes, it's as simple and as quick as that. This is definitely my go-to wig. Like when I feel like looking a bit extra, but like with not too much effort, this is definitely my go-to girl. I love this curly wig so much. I like the closure. It's very neat. Like, oh, my curls are just, they look so amazing. Like, I love them. I love them. I don't have earrings on, but I love these guys. I love it so much. So yeah, it's as quick as that. It's as simple as that. To be honest, I love this wig. I'm so obsessed with it. So yeah, this is how I revive my curls. This is how I keep my baby looking good, you know. Ooh, I love it. So what I usually do is I'll take just a little bit of curling cream and just apply it on my hair, just a little, just so that it doesn't get dry like during the day. I just apply a little bit of this. It's so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll put all the details down below about this hair. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.